Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will show you how to send your case files to GridPro support. We at GridPro thrive on our timely support of customers. In some cases, it may be required for the user to send their case files to GridPro support. In this video, I will show you how to send these files to customer support. There are three file components in GridPro. First one, surface files, which consists of .lin, .quad, .tria, .tube, analytical surfaces, and etc., which represent the geometry surfaces to be meshed. Second one, topology files, .fra, which consists of the surface, external and analytical, and wireframe block information, which is used by the grid smoother to generate the grid. Third one, grid files, .tmp, .grd, which is the grid generated in GridPro's native format. Of these, only the surface files and topology files are required to be sent, as the grid file can be generated by using those files. This reduces the size of the file that is required to be sent. Now, I'll show you how to send these files. Open the topology you want to send to us in the UI. On the top, in the Global Tools dock, click on the arrow next to the Save button. Click on Project. This opens up the Save Topology window. Create a new empty folder wherever suitable to save the topology and surface files. Navigate to the empty folder and give a suitable name for the topology file. You can now compress this folder and send it to support@gridpro.com. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, leave us a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave it below. If you want us to post tutorials on any specific geometries, you could write to us on support@gridpro.com. Follow us on our social media pages. Links are posted in the description.